Still installing extensions just to use Azure MCP tools in Visual Studio 2022? That extra setup is now a thing of the past. Azure MCP tools are officially built into Visual Studio 2022, no separate installation required. If you already have the Azure development workload, you're good to go. Here's what changed and why it matters. Built in by default. Azure MCP tools now ship with the Azure development workload. Once enabled in GitHub Copilot Chat, they stay active across sessions. No repeated setup. 230 plus tools at your fingertips. Access over 230 tools across 45 Azure services directly within GitHub Copilot Chat, supporting your entire development lifecycle. From learning to production. Ask questions about Azure services, get architecture recommendations, configure apps, deploy resources, and troubleshoot issues, all without leaving Visual Studio. Quick setup. Update Visual Studio 2022, ensure the Azure development workload is installed, sign in, and enable the Azure MCP server in Copilot Chat. A few things to note. Azure MCP tools are off by default and must be enabled manually. Availability depends on your Azure permissions and requires an active GitHub Copilot subscription. Stay tuned for more Visual Studio updates.